Today we're cooking chocolate cakes in Instant Pot. What we need? We need 3 eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, thick sour cream, 20% fat, 1 tablespoon butter. I will add some, I have cherry. You can add any berries what you have, or without berry you can add some spices, vanilla, lime, and we have 3 tablespoons cacao, 1 tablespoon coconut flour, and 1/2 tablespoon psyllium husk, and some sweetener. That's all. Let's start. First we do eggs. Sour cream. I left something for top for you. And some berries with berry juice. It's frozen cherries, that's why it with some sauce, but it will work nice. And mix it. So, and some sweetener. I use Stevia and Xylitol together, that's why I don't need too much, just 1/2 tablespoon. Mix all our dry stuff. And add it by portional, because actually I don't know how much we will need it. It should be fine. And basically it's done. We need just wait a little bit, because that our psyllium husk, like coconut flour, it needs some time to absorb that all water is what we have from eggs and sour cream. It will be more thicker, but even now it looks like not very thick sour cream. Just taste it for sure. It's fine. Very nice flavor cacao. And when you buy cacao, just look how much fat it is. Bigger fat, it means it's more healthy cacao and will have more stronger flavors than cacao. Yeah, perfectly one, it's 17-20% of fat in cacao. So. I forget about butter, melted butter. 1 tablespoon melted butter, and we will see, guys, it's coming 2 minutes and it's coming with more thickness. It's like real sour cream, very, very thick. Now just we'll put it in silicone form and now we need some plate. I use base from the baking form, 20 centimeters. You can use everything what you have, or you can bake it in oven actually. Oven, it will be more for now. Put a cup of water there. Put this form and a form. Put our cakes. Perfectly. We have 7 cakes from this, all ingredients, and now we close it. Check pressure, release pressure, and turn it for 10 minutes, and it should be fine. Switch off, keep warm, and just start waiting for 10 minutes and making coffee or tea. First time. Yeah, basically it's done. It's a little bit light color. That one, and we'll check how it is on taste. I have nice silicone forms, that's why I didn't put any butter there. This is the texture, it's completely done. It's more tastes like mousse, of course, not like not like cake, but it's very tasty. A little bit water inside because it's do on the high pressure. It will be better if you cook in the oven, but this like an option, you can do any sweetness inside the instant pot also. Very tasty with coffee, and if you put some sour cream on the top. Enjoy. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe us, please.